Milan is a city in northern Italy, capital of Lombardy, and the second most populous city in Italy after Rome. Milan served as the capital of the Western Roman Empire, the Duchy of Milan and the Kingdom of Lombardy-Venetia. The city proper has a population of about 1.4 million while its metropolitan city has 3.26 million inhabitants. Its continuously built-up urban area, that stretches well beyond the boundaries of the administrative metropolitan city, is the fourth largest in the EU with 5.27 million inhabitants. The population within the wider Milan metropolitan area, also known as Greater Milan, is estimated at 8.2 million, making it by far the largest metropolitan area in Italy and the third largest in the EU. Milan is considered a leading alpha global city, with strengths in the fields of art, commerce, design, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, healthcare, media, services, research and tourism. Its business district hosts Italy's stock exchange, Italian, Borsa Italiana, and the headquarters of national and international banks and companies. In terms of GDP, it has the second largest economy among EU cities after Paris, and is the wealthiest among EU non-capital cities. Milan is viewed as part of the Blue Banana and one of the four motors for Europe. The city has been recognized as one of the world's 4 fashion capitals thanks to several international events and fairs, including Milan Fashion Week and the Milan Furniture Fair, which are currently among the world's biggest in terms of revenue, visitors and growth. It hosted the Universal Exposition in 1906 and 2015. The city hosts numerous cultural institutions, academies and universities, with 11% of the national total of enrolled students. Milan is the destination of 8 million overseas visitors every year, attracted by its museums and art galleries that include some of the most important collections in the world, including major works by Leonardo da Vinci. The city is served by many luxury hotels and is the 5th most starred in the world by Michelin Guide. The city is home to 2 of Europe's most successful football teams, AC Milan and FC Internazionale, and one of Europe's main basketball teams, Olimpia Milano. Milan will host the 2026 Winter Olympics together with Cortina d'Ampezzo. Milan is located in the northwestern section of the Po Valley, approximately halfway between the River Po to the south and the foothills of the Alps with the Great Lakes, Lake Como, Lake Maggiore, Lake Lugano to the north, the Ticino River to the west and the Adda to the east. The city's land is flat, the highest point being at 122 meters (400.26 feet) above sea level. Milan features a mid-latitude humid subtropical climate (CFA), according to the Köppen climate classification. Milan's climate is similar to much of northern Italy's inland plains, with hot humid summers and cold, foggy winters. The Alps and Apennine Mountains form a natural barrier that protects the city from the major circulations coming from northern Europe and the sea. During winter, daily average temperatures can fall below freezing and accumulations of snow can occur. The historic average of Milan's area is 25 centimeters (10 in the period between 1961 and 1990, with a record of 90 centimeters (35 in January 1985. In the suburbs the average can reach 36 centimeters (14 in). The city receives on average 7 days of snow per year. There are only few remains of the ancient Roman colony, notably the well-preserved Colonna di San Lorenzo. During the second half of the 4th century, Saint Ambrose, as Bishop of Milan, had a strong influence on the layout of the city, reshaping the center, although the cathedral and baptistry built in Roman times are now lost, and building the great basilicas at the city gates, Sant'Ambrogio, San Nazaro in Brolo, San Simpliciano and Santo Storgio, which still stand, refurbished over the centuries, as some of the finest and most important churches in Milan. Milan's cathedral, built between 1386 and 1877, is the 5th largest cathedral in the world and the most important example of Gothic architecture in Italy. The gilt bronze statue of the Virgin Mary, placed in 1774 on the highest pinnacle of the Duomo, soon became one of the most enduring symbols of Milan. Milan is widely regarded as a global capital in industrial design, fashion and architecture. In the 1950s and 60s, as the main industrial center of Italy and one of Europe's most dynamic cities, Milan became a world capital of design and architecture. There was such a revolutionary change that Milan's fashion exports accounted for $726 million in 1952, and by 1955 that number grew to $72.5 billion. Modern skyscrapers, such as the Pirelli Tower and the Torre Velasca were built, and artists such as Bruno Munari, Lucio Fontana, Enrico Castellani and Piero Manzoni gathered in the city. Today, Milan is still particularly well known for its high-quality furniture and interior design industry. The city is home to Fiera Milano, Europe's largest permanent trade exhibition, and Salone Internazionale del Mobile, one of the most prestigious international furniture and design fairs.